Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the next part of our identities lesson. Okay, so that is cubes of binomials. So how to find out the cube of the binomial? Till now we saw the square of the binomial. So now suppose if it is given as a plus b bracket cube. So how we will find out? So what you will do is this a plus b cube, just we will make it split into two, that is a plus b and a plus b bracket square. Okay, so I have split up it. Now in this a plus b will be as it is, and this a plus b we have the identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? Now in this multiply this to each term. Now from here first term is a. A you have to multiply to each term of the second bracket. So it will be a into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now plus b. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now after this just multiply it inside. A square it will be a cube. A into a square will be a cube plus 2a square b plus 2ab square plus a square into b will be a square b plus 2ab square plus b square into b is b cube. Okay. Now next equals to a cube plus, now here see whether the like terms are there or not. So a square b is there here also. Okay. So it will be 2a square b plus a square b, it will be 3a square b. Right. Then this both plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is the main product of binomial. This cube, in this way we can just find out. So whenever you people will have the example with this type, then directly you should know this identity, this formula, put the value and find out the answer. Okay. Same way for the subtraction. If a minus b cube is there, then we will solve it and let us see how it is. Now suppose a minus b bracket cube is there. So this you have to solve in such a way, a minus b and a minus b bracket square. So we know for this a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be a minus b as it is into bracket. This we have to write a formula, that is a minus b bracket square formula, minus 2ab plus b square. Multiply these terms to each term of this bracket. So it will be a into bracket a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next it will be minus sign b, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply a to each term, b to each term. With the sign you have to see. A square into a is a cube minus 2ab into a will be negative 2a square b plus a into b square will be ab square minus a square b. Okay. Then minus is there and here also minus is there. So minus minus will be plus 2ab square minus into plus it will be minus and b square into b will be b cube. You have to check in a proper way how to use the negative sign if it is there. Okay. Now here combine the like terms. Now a cube I will write as it is a square negative 2a square b. This will be same. So it will be negative 2 and negative. So it will be negative 3a square b plus ab plus 2ab. So it will be plus 3ab square. Okay, then what is remaining? Negative b cube. So in this way we can solve this cubes of binomials by using this formula. So you can make the application of this in the while solving the examples of the exercise, so that you will get the answers very easily. Now let us solve the example related to that. 3x plus 2y bracket cube. So how we will solve? We know the identity, that is a plus b bracket cube. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Now according to this formula, just put the values of a and b. Now 3 will be a and 2 will be b. Now put the values in place of this. So it will be a cube will be 3x cube plus 3 into a square is there. So it will be 3x square. Okay. 3x square multiply by, now b is 2y, right? Then again this term plus 3 into bracket a is 3x multiply by 2y square plus b cube means 2y cube. Okay. Now you people have to solve the example according to that. So how it will be? 3x cube. 3 cube is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. X cube plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. 54 x square y plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 2 square is 4, 9 4s are 36. 36 x y square plus 2 cube is 8 y cube. This is the answer of our question. So if we are using the formula, so we can follow the direct method to solve it. If you will solve each step, it will need more time. So it is good to solve in this way by using the formula. Now the next topic which we are going to see is application of formulae. How you will make the application of formulae. So for that, means suppose if the numbers are given, means any of the values are given from the formula. For example, a plus b is given, sometimes a square plus b square is given. So that values you have to make application in the formula. Put the values and find out which is not given. So for that we have an example, that is if a plus b equals to 8 and ab equals to 15, find a square plus b square. Okay. So now for that we have one formula, that is a plus b bracket square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now put the values in this formula. Now a plus b value is given as 8 and here square is there, equals to. Now a plus b is not given, a square plus b square it is not given, plus 2 into ab is given, that is 15. Okay. Now solve it. So x square is 64 equals to a square plus b square plus 15 2s are 30. Therefore, a square plus b square equals to 64 minus 30. Therefore, a square plus b square equals to 64 minus 30 is 34. So, you have to put the values whichever are given and just try to solve the example. Okay. Now, again some more examples related to that topic we will see, that is application of formula. So, if a square plus b square equals to 73 and ab equals to 24, find a plus b and a minus b. So for this we should know a plus b bracket square and a minus b bracket square. After looking the question what is asked, you should understand what is asked there and which formula is necessary. So for first a, okay, a plus b bracket square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So put the values now. So we have to find now a plus b bracket square. A square plus b square value is given as 73 plus 2 into ab is 24. So a plus b bracket square equals to 73. First 2 into 24 is 48. So 73 plus 48. So it will be a plus b bracket square equals to 73 plus 48. If you do, the answer you will get is 121. Therefore, a plus b equals to under root, square root we have to find out, plus minus square root of 121. So it will be 11 plus minus 11. 121 square root is 11. So in this way we find out the value of a. Now we will find out of b, that is a minus b. So a minus b bracket square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now a minus b square equals to, put the value now. So we have the value a square plus b square, that is 73 minus 2 into ab is 24 equals to 73 minus 48. So here you will get the answer as 25. Therefore, a minus b equals to plus minus under root of 25 equals to plus minus 5. So in this way you people can solve the example. Okay. So with this we have completed the lesson identities. Just go through the exercise examples and clear your doubts. Next time we will start the factorization. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.